Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Well, my people, today when I'm doing this video is election day in Jamaica. And I see some videos that I've posted on social media that I found interesting. Now, I am going to present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded within the country of Jamaica. And in my point of view, if not all, most of these pieces of videos shows some things that happen because of politics within the country of Jamaica, viewing subscribers. One of these pieces of videos shows some things that happen when a person fell from a motor vehicle. One of these pieces of videos shows some things that happen when a person who was on a motorcycle fell along with the motorcycle. I am not able to confirm if some words said in any of these videos are accurate or even true pertaining to whatsoever anyone was saying. The people, viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you. Observe.
Where my friend I put the X? Where my friend I put the X at? You, where I put the X?
The situation has getting a lot more intense on Beatrice Avenue at the Pentecostal Basic School, where lots of voters are denying the chance of exercising their rights because they denied the Prime Minister from entering the polling station.
So a person said some words in a video that I saw that gave me the understanding that someone had been accused of hitting someone. Look and listen to this video. Observe. My people, I also saw what I consider to be some type of an edited video that shows the musician who goes by the name of Beanie Man. Now, if you're in subscribers, I think it will be best if you take a look at these pieces of videos for yourself that shows Beanie Man. Observe.
Them usher out Beanie Man. Them usher him out. Watch out. Yeah, get usher out. Yeah, we said them usher him out.
Them around bit.
get a purple lotion. On your finger.
I'm gonna vote, man. I'm gonna vote.
Babsy Grange, our candidate. Thank you very much. Where are you guys going?
So I got the understanding from pieces of videos that at least one person said some words that can be considered as harsh to a person who is a politician within the country of Jamaica who many people might know as Darrell Vaz during subscribers. Now I'm wondering what might have caused the person to say certain words that the person said. Yes, I'm asking my people. And remember I said at least. But anyways, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so you can get a better understanding of what I'm talking about, and viewer discussion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Look at them motherfuckers they don't see which. Look at them motherfuckers for which. Look, we have to go up there, stop there, see anybody people know you come here so far. But we don't want the tears. You don't want for which yet. Look at them woman frock for which. You're bright for which. Me not take nothing from you. Me not take nothing from you. None of your sardine, none of your rice, none of your material. Me not take nothing from you. Go to take your things. You come tell me about witch. Yes, me a witch. Yes, me a witch. Yes, me a witch. Put it. And me still have to eat some blood. Boy. Oh, boy. Me not take blood from you, boy. When you come here, so come stop for. Why can't you stop here, so boy? Oh, blood. Me not sit all evening. Me not sit all evening. Put the blood good. Oh, yeah, walk so that you don't go. You can't go blood rest.
Oh, wow. So I'm wondering what might have caused that situation. I mean, I want to jump to the conclusion. Not because you might be surprised to know who might be in the wrong. Anyways, so those pieces of videos gave me an understanding. You can leave a comment or comments, let me know what the understanding I might have got from those pieces of videos. Next topic. Now I'm going to present more pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, and at least one of these pieces of videos, a person mentioned someone's name, and I think that name is Colonel Charles. In these pieces of videos, me hear where the person said land. My people, look at these pieces of videos for yourself, my people, and listen carefully. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
Sing company people them na man and I tell the people them I drive in van from way up the road, come down the road. Say they feel left off a place. See that? Say they feel left off a place. Just to them see we arrange up the whole place. No. Then come now, say we have to go left off a land to them see we put up we are in flag and shit them. See ya? Whole I place them as if we feel left off it. To we arrange up the place. Me tell you no vote them out. Vote out the labor right them. Vote them out. Go to a labor right them, all them do a fight over land and house. Go them out. So we have to left. See there? Look about the land, you can look way all along a seaside. See there everybody, Colonel Charles in come up here now. A fight against the people with them place. Colonel Charles, see one there. See there? Big meeting now. See one there. Big meeting. Whole people in there fight over land, whole land, see them there? Whole land we don't want. And that in that whole people come now. I tell the people them say, them will left off a land and whole people. See them there? In case we hear good. See land them there? Pure wasteland, him a tell the people them will left off fight. When I got dead left and can't live it out. See there? See him there? Colonel charge, see him there himself. Go if you go, we not tell him, not take a talk from him. King go. No talk, not take from him, see there? See land them there? I fight for them, look one land. See them and see there? We don't want to see. Fight for your land, come up here and tell the people and say them have to left. But see there? See him there? Disrespect, so who is in the people disrespect? Why where your blood go? Who is up for people disrespect? Why where you go? Moving up and go. Boy, you come and fight for land. Why where you go? But who is you for nobody tell bad word? They are God. Why where you go? They are God. Why where you go? Yes, we are enjoying the place. You come back, come off a land. Go on in your van. Tell the people about them to left off a land before such and such time because hotel are going to be up by February and ground for bro. Go where you go? We don't want to wait for you. Go on, we don't want to wait for you. Go on, Colonel and come with Bully. Hold on, Bully. I should talk to you. I make a video. Eh? Bully, this man come and go out with man. Man never go sit down, brother. Man come and tell the people about the come off a land over. What do you man land, so? The man can't live out the land in my house. The man around here, he's who dead and gone and fight over all land for him to go fight for God. Sit down, the man to go sit down. I mean, I have video him. I have video him, man.
The people on one side, you know, this sad, you know. Man, this sad is when people are trying to survive. Hey. Come let me hear some type of attack in a part of the last piece of video listen. But overall though, you know, once something like this happen, just be on the alert. You know, be on the alert. Well, anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.